blockchain technology and the cryptocurrencies that they enable have the potential to disrupt the entire world and many of its industries, just as how the internet itself did over 30 years ago. When you browse the internet, such as when you stream your videos, look at Facebook, Instagram, etc., you don't really understand the underlying technology such as the TCP/IP protocols, that is, the transmission control protocols, the internet protocols, the DNS servers, and many more. In the same way, in the future, when you understand decentralized applications, when you use cryptocurrencies in the blockchain technology, you don't need to understand all the underlying technology completely. But in today's course, we shall talk about all the important key concepts, all the terminologies that are involved in the blockchain industry. Because when you understand the underlying technology of the blockchain industry, you understand cryptocurrencies in a much better fashion. When you understand cryptocurrencies completely, you tend to be a better investor. So in the next 4 hours, in over 40 modules, we shall talk about various key concepts such as blockchain, cryptography, smart contracts, and many more, including blockchain analytics itself. So let's get started. Who am I? My name is Akhan Sitra. I currently lead the business strategy team of TRM Labs, which is a blockchain analytics firm based out of the Silicon Valley in the USA. After graduating from IIT Madras, I joined the Government of India with the Ministry of Home Affairs, with the Intelligence Bureau as an Assistant Central Intelligence Officer. I was posted with the cyber cells in New Delhi for over 3 years, where I performed various tasks such as the dark web monitoring, such as social media analysis, etc. In those days, the dark web was used by criminals to buy drugs, to buy AK-47s, to buy weapons, child sexual abuse material, etc. But they were not using rupees or dollars or yen or yuan to actually make these purchases. They were using cryptocurrencies. They were using Bitcoin, to be honest. So my work at the Intelligence Bureau was very simple: to analyze the Bitcoin, to analyze the transactions, to analyze where the funds are coming from and where they're going. That is when I started reading more and more about the blockchain industry. That is when I started understanding the intricacies of Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and various blockchain phenomena. After working there for 3 to 4 years, I came back to the private sector. I did my MBA from the Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. After that, currently, I work with TRM Labs, which performs the same thing that I was doing with the government sector. We try to trace cryptocurrencies, transactions, we try to screen the wallets, we try to perform forensics on various kinds of scams, issues which happen in the crypto world. So in today's classes, we shall discuss about why these technologies are important, how these technologies are being used by various nefarious factors, and how this technology has truly a potential to be a world changer. In this course, we shall talk about blockchain, cryptography, cryptocurrency, etc., to understand investment in a much better sense. So let's get started.